Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show addition operation in sampling language. First of all, let's define two variables. One is number 1, another is number 2. The size of the variable is byte. So db is defined a byte. The initial value for number 1 is 1, and the initial value of the number 2 is 2. We do not have any initialized variable. Okay, this is the main function. This is to set up for the debugging purpose. First, to assign a number 2 into register EAX. This is the 32-bit. We assigned EBX number 3 and add 2 together. Basically, the first registry is destination and the second registry is the source. So the register 1 equal to register 1 and plus register 2. So this is a destination and this is source. Add to the destination. This is going to be the final result. Another way is you can add immediate value. So this is the add operation. Register in EAX right now is 5, so we can plus 2 as 2. Okay, let's compile it and then debug it to look at what is the register. This is the first step to set up the debugging base pointer. So step there. Initial value in the EAX is 1, so we assign the number 2 to EAX. Let's step into. So right now its EAX is 2. And then we are going to assign 3 to the EBX. So let's step into it. EBX right now is a 3. And then add together. Give to the value, the final value is in the EAX. So the current is 2. We are going to, after add it, so EAX is the final result, number 5. And then we can continue to add immediate value 2 into the EAX. We step into it. So right now the result is a 7. And also we have option increase and the increase number 1. So EAX current value is 7. So we step into it, increase number 1. So that is 8. Here this one is AL. Since we define the number 1, that is 1 byte. So the lower byte is AL register. We assign the square bracket. So that means we are going to take the value saved in that number 1 memory address, give to the AL. So the EAX AL, let's step into it. After down, the value is going to be 1. So BL, sign number 2. So we are going to assign number 2 is 2. The value is 2. Since we define the number 2 value is 2. And then we go to continue step into. Also, we can directly move a binary number into the EAX. So this is the binary 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is a lower 8-bit. So we step into it. 255. 255 means all the 8-bit is set to 1. So that is 8-bit ones is 255. We are going to cite 1 on the EBX. So EBX right now is 1. So we are going to add 1 to the EAX. Let's step into it. It's 256. Since EAX is 32-bit, the lower 8-bit is 255 at 1. So you're going to use the high bit, the AH bit at 1, and the rest of the rest of high byte in the AH at 1. and rest of the load AL is going to 0. So that is 255 plus 1 is 256. Okay, that is basically add from the registry, add from immediate value, and also increment number 1 in the registry. 3 situations. One thing I would like to point out is here, the flag. You see here is PF, AF, IF. PF is parity bit. So the parity bit says that means the even number. If parity bit N set, that is odd number. So this is even number, parity bit. AF shows auxiliary carry bit. We know we a lower bit add 1 to 55 carry over to the higher bit. So this carry flag. IF that means interrupt. Okay, we are going to stop at here. Thank you very much. See you next time.